Yardman abroad, welcome back to the channel. We are in Africa. We are in Gambia, to be specific. And today, I just learned my first African lesson: how to deal with the police. An incident just occurred, and I'm not gonna lie, it was making me a little bit angry. I'm sitting in the car watching it all play out, and it was making me a little bit angry, because I can see the officer was just, having a little ego trip. I think he got pissed off because my dog didn't really acknowledge his presence. He's not entitled to acknowledgement. We're just going about our business, respecting the rules and that. But I think the fact that my dog didn't really look at him and acknowledge his presence, he got a little bit pissed off and went on a little bit of an ego trip. And I was getting pissed. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting angry. But my dog here, Mr. P, he showed us how to deal with such situations. He handled it like a master. And I think those police now will probably protect us for for the entirety of our trip to Gambia. So he took a negative situation and he turned it into a positive one and taught me a lesson how I should operate dealing with the police and officials in Africa. Very interesting to see. Hey, Mr. P, break down the situation for me, brother. What do you think happened there?
At the end of the day, I believe everyone needs to learn from their mistakes. So sometimes when you see issues like this, you just need to change your own behavior towards that individual. So at the end of the day, that's the checkpoint. Yeah, I saw a stop sign there, and I slowed down.
Yeah.
I didn't see any reason for me to stop. But
Exactly.
what he said, okay, tapped my car and I stopped. Took my license. So what I did, I have to change my approach. Friendly approach. Say, hello, you guys all right? Smiling approach. Yeah, and I explain myself and I said, I'm sorry. That's fine. I had my license back and we're on our way right now. That's it.
Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, my first little incident there. Me and the police, we don't have a great history. So, I was about to get in my feelings, I ain't gonna lie, because I'm like, yo, you leave England and leave the drama with the police over there. You come to Africa and you run into an officer right there, and he's just, having a little bit of an ego trip. You get me? So I was about to get ticked off, man, but yeah, my dog handled the situation well. Probably much better than I would have. But yeah, that's my first African lesson right there. Anyway, this vlog is not about Babylon. This is about Africa. But nevertheless, it was a great example of how to deal with such situations. So, hey, what's the name of this area?
If I'm right, yeah, could be pipeline. Yeah, that's a pipeline, and then we're going towards Caraba Avenue.
Okay, so yeah, guys, so my boy here, he's from here, so he's just giving me a tour of the place, showing me some interesting places. So this is we can call it my first day, because I arrived yesterday. Didn't really have time to do much. We literally just went to the hotel, then go out for a meal. You can find that video on my channel, just seeing my arrival into the Gambia. Hey, I'm loving it so far though, guys. You know what I mean? I can see why they call this place Little Jamaica. Being here, it feels like Jamaica. And I'll tell you why, guys. So last night I'm lying down in my bed, and all I can hear was listen, if you grew up in Jamaica, you know that sound. You know that sound, guys. just music everywhere. That bass line just beating out through the garrisons. You know what I'm talking about if you grew up in Jamaica. So that's one similarities there. And I've seen around the place as well, a couple places you can find Jamaican food. Everywhere you go, you see like jerk chicken sign, you know, and things like that. I even seen a random Jamaican flag just painted on a bollard in the street. I was like, yo, what going on over here? You know what I mean? So as a Jamaican, you feel very welcome over here, man. I also met another Jamaican coming off the plane as well. So when we land, I met a Jamaican in baggage control. You know, so yeah, I'm feeling welcome. And as a Jamaican, you'll enjoy your time here, and you won't feel out of place. And you know, you'll definitely feel like this is somewhere you can spend time and feel comfortable. But yeah, guys, just driving around, checking out the scenery. Today is like the last day of Ramadan. Yeah, it's the last day of Ramadan today. I'm told tonight is where the party really starts. So I'm looking forward to that later. I'll be blogging that as well, showing you guys how they party in Gambia. Who's this? Okay, that's your church, yeah? Okay. How long you been going there? Yeah. Listen, I'm seeing, the guys, they're stepping out today, man. You see some fresh people. I think today is the day people put on their best outfit and that, man. People looking fresh in the streets. Look at those donkeys over there. That's somebody's Benz right there. Yeah. We in the Gambia, baby.
This is the shop I used to buy stuff.
Yeah, my friend just taking me through his old
Right.
neighborhood.
Right.
Hey, what going on, bro? Those mango trees out there. Yeah, so my friend just giving me a driving tour of his neighborhood.
Ah. This
Know
used to
them.
be our other compound.
Yeah.
Is it this one? Right, down there.
Wow, there's so much developments around here though, man. It's like people making moves around here. It's like everywhere I go so far, you see developments happening, guys. Guys, so much about this place remind me of Jamaica. Look at this here. Boom. You have that coconut tree right there. Right behind that, you have that mango tree. Then we have this wall. Look on top of the wall. You see the buckle. Listen, no, this is Jamaica, man. This is so Jamaica right now. So much of this place reminds me of Yard. Yard, man, abroad. You don't know the official Jamaican ambassador to the world. Okay, I just make that up, but sounds nice. Very interesting. Little Jamaica, Gambia, and I can see why they call it that. Come across this tree, thought it looks very interesting. Look at this. So fat. Wow. You can tell this one has been here for centuries. This is a very old tree, majestic. Look at that. Look how huge that is. I don't think I've ever seen anything, a tree as big as this. Look like that tree that Black Panther went to when he went to speak to the ancestors. And I do not know why I put that accent when I said ancestors. But yeah, this look incredible. Wow. Incredible. Yardman abroad, so I've come to this Jamaican restaurant here. Yeah, so you don't know, as the official Jamaican ambassador to the world, I am going to be trying out one of the staple Jamaican meals, the curry goat and rice and peas, and I will be rating it out of 10. Make sure them doing the thing properly, make sure them not violate the thing, you get me? Make sure say them not ramp with the image, is it? Yeah man, Yardman abroad. Alright, so the curry goat, rice and peas, some mixed veg just arrived. Yeah, smell right, but I'm not lie, them put too much gravy on the thing. This has too much gravy for me. But deal with it though. See how it is. Alright, I'm not lie, they had us in the first half. I was a bit worried about the gravy, but just taste the rice and the thing right. Tastes like the real thing. Yeah man. Yeah, this is good curry goat right here. Good. I might get some criticism for this. Yardman, why do you go to another country just so you can eat food that you can eat at home? Why not try the local food? I'm gonna get there, okay? But as the official Jamaican Yard ambassador, I had to try it. And it passed the test. It good. This is genuine curry goat and rice and peas. The real deal. That's some mango juice with the thing. Alright guys, so I just come to this Jamaican restaurant here and I was thinking, should I have the jerk chicken or not? I was getting a bit worried. But then I look in there and I see something that looks like a jerk pan. You know what I mean? They're really fully a jerk pan, but it can't work. So this is the restaurant we just ate at. It was nice. Or is it called? Literally called Jamaica. It's a 10 out of I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. And the reason why, they put too much sauce on the curry goat, man. Too much. Alright guys, so I'm just exiting the restaurant here. And what do I see? Look at that. Look at the wall. Tell me that don't look familiar. Again, if you grew up in Jamaica, this look very familiar. Like, we do this all the time, especially for people that like pass away and stuff like that. I'm telling you guys, Gambia is Jamaica. No difference. It's the same thing.